I'm Annica Eklund, the founder and creative director of Bolon. Nej, jag är inte founder, the owner. I started to work in the family business when I was younger, but then Marie and I came in later on and we really transformed Bolon to an international design brand from a more traditional flooring company. What's inspiring me is, it's a lot of things. Culture, music, everything. It's never a switch on and off. And I'm always on. So it's the first time that Bolon and me myself visiting 3 Days of Design. And when we asked Atelier September about to collaborate, we were very happy that when we could go ahead. I love Atelier September. It's such a cool vibe. And Bolon is also a little bit odd when it's coming to our brand. So I think this is a perfect creative destination during 3 Days of Design. We're going to experience, explore these two brands together in a very creative way. The beauty of Copenhagen, it must be the people, the atmosphere that brings people together in a very relaxed mood. Love it. Copenhagen as a design destination, a lot of designer feels very proud and you can see it in the craftsmanship, so I think it's in the DNA in the country. Okay, bye bye Copenhagen, see you! Ja, det var töntigt.